Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you open TikTok on mute this 2023. So if you want to go ahead and open TikTok, the TikTok app without the noise or without the sound, then they actually have a new feature for you. So if this will be useful if you are on a quiet place and you don't want any noise. So for example, as you can see normally, if we open this,
Actually, wala akong
it will automatically
reference.
it will automatically have a sound on the videos. But to be able to fix this, you should go ahead and go to profile here, go over to the three lines here, settings and privacy, and under that you should go ahead and scroll down until you see playback. And as you can see here, this actually have a new feature, open TikTok on mute. So videos will be muted by default when you open TikTok. So if you open that, so as you can see, if we read it, so you can tap to unmute videos or use your device volume controls. So let's try that.
So, naghahanap talaga ako.
So as you can see,
Papakilala ako, shit, ang ganda. Gagi, shit.
and if you go ahead and tap on the volume button, it will automatically have a sound. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.